When you press the power button on your laptop or computer, the operating system is not running yet. The CPU is reset and has no instructions about where the OS is stored. First, the power supply activates the motherboard, CPU, RAM, and storage devices. Immediately after reset, the CPU starts executing a permanent program stored on the motherboard called firmware, commonly known as BIOS or UEFI. The firmware performs hardware initialization using post power on self-test. It checks whether RAM, storage controllers, keyboard, and other critical hardware components are functioning properly. For example, if RAM is faulty or not properly connected, the system may produce beep codes or show memory errors before the OS loads. This occurs because post detected a hardware failures and prevented further booting. After successful hardware verification, a firmware executes a Bootstrap program. The Bootstrap program locates a bootable device such as an SSD, HDD, or USB drive and loads a bootloader into your memory. A practical example is a dual boot system, where the grub bootloader appears, allowing the users to choose between Windows or Linux. This selection happens before the OS kernel is loaded. The bootloader then loads the operating system kernel from storage into RAM and transfers control to it. Finally, the kernel initializes device drivers, memory management, interrupt handling, and process scheduling, after which the operating system becomes fully operational.